Welcome back to challenge number 3 of Al against Den. It's currently 1-1 because Den was cheating in the challenge number 2. So Al won, even though he's been useless at both of the challenges so far. So here we are, 1-1, final challenge. It's a grass cutting challenge. You've got 5 minutes to cut as much grass as you can. Are you ready?
Yep.
Den?
Yep.
Al?
Yep.
Mount your lawnmowers, please.
Good luck, mate.
Okay, guys, start your engine. 3, 2, 1, go! Alan's going straight in the camera here. What's the camera?
How did you do that? Stalled it.
There's only going to be one winner here, isn't there? Going to end up in the cash and carry.
Come on, where are you going?
I thought he was in the fence then. Okay, guys.
I'm chuffed with that. Easy. It's harder than what it looks, huh?
Okay, guys, that was a great effort by you all. I did think we had a winner, but unfortunately, due to an obscene gesture at the end of the game, Dennis is being sent off again for gesturing to his opponent, and the winner is Alan Lester.
What a fix. We'll have a repairs and maintenance referee next time.